How to turn off Hotspot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Cellular. From here, you can find out how much data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. As you can see, your cellular or mobile data is turned on. Then, go to Personal Hotspot. Personal Hotspot allows you to share a cellular internet connection from your iPhone to other nearby devices. Here, turn off the Allow Others to Join option. You have now successfully turned off your personal hotspot. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Hotspot on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.